What is up? My name is Prowant, and today we are going to go to Brussels, Belgium. So Brussels to do. We want to eat some Belgian waffles, try mussels. I don't know if I'm gonna. Man, I don't like seafood or anything critter like that. Drink beer, yes. Eat chocolate. I mean, in Belgium, yes, Belgium chocolate. We have to try it. Get a street clip, so I'm really hoping to find a stair set or maybe a ledge I can skate for a little bit, and then find a souvenir. Haley wants a cup. So all that's left to do now is to pack the bags, load the car, and start pointing the nose of our car to Brussels. Okay, so we just drove all the way to Brussels, and then we got to the hotel, checked in, and then they're like, let's park the car. It's under the hotel. I'm like, okay, it's probably a ramp. No, they open a garage door, and we drive onto a lift, and it lowers us down into the dungeon.
In a box, though.
Yeah, so we're in the dungeon right now. So we're gonna go walk to the skate park. That's 7 minutes that way. So we just got to Brussels, and there's a very interesting use of space out here. There's a lot going on. Definitely different from the parks that are out in the little farm towns near where we live. So I'm gonna warm up and we're gonna skate. We just finished skating. I don't even know the name of that park. I guess we'll figure it out later.
Yeah.
We just finished skating. Our first park in Brussels. We're gonna go get cleaned up and then go roam around the city.
Get a waffle.
Waffles. Okay, so we just went and watched a soccer match, had a couple of drinks, met up with a couple of friends. We're gonna end the night and go to the hotel. I don't know if any of this is gonna sound any kind of sober. Just woke up, getting ready to go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go to a beer and chocolate tasting tour.
Morning.
Hello.
I'd like to have some brownies and strawberry, maybe. What do you want?
Thank you.
Welcome.
It's so good. Behind me?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, sure enough.
Oh my god. You mean Julian?
Yeah, Julia. Yeah, it's a little costume. Okay, so we just went, we're at Wagamama right now. It's like a Asian food place. I got ramen, but on our list of things to try was mussels, and I said I would, but I don't want to at all. I guess.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hot? Do I just
Take it out here.
okay, I just take it out?
He's not gonna play slime.
It is? Do I have to eat the whole thing?
It's gonna be hard to take a bite. Just eat it. Just put it on your mouth. Baby, put it on your mouth. Oh, you should have done that.
Well, oh, no,
it.
sir.
Eat it.
No, sir.
Swallow it.
You don't bite.
Don't swallow it. Do not spit it out. Go
Okay.
back. You did it?
It's just the texture.
Yeah.
There's a little saltiness to it that I like, but. So, how do you say this place's name?
Don't know.
Tropicus?
There's no cute tropism. Tropisms.
We just finished the day, whole day of drinking beer and eating chocolate in Brussels, and now we're heading back to the hotel to wind it down for the day. We are dead tired, but it was really good. Okay, see you in a minute. Yesterday we went to this store. It was like a retro store. They're selling a bunch of really cool like 90s and 80s clothes, and we really loved the place, but out of nowhere, Haley's looking through a pile of shoes. They were like Nike, Adidas, and Vans, and there was like a little chain hanging from the ceiling down, just with a bunch of shoes on it. And I look up at the top, and I'm like, whatever that shoe is, I know it's a 10. It just looks like a 10, which is my size. And it's black, Nike shoes, and I'm like, okay, you know, I'm interested. I pull them down because they're still glowing in my eyes, and it turns out they're these Nike SBs, and it has a little tag on it that says they're 25 bucks. So I picked them up. They're still fresh as the day someone wore them twice. So we got that, a couple windbreakers, and we had a good time. It was just part of one of the many things that happened on our adventure yesterday. We're about to pack up the car and get breakfast. Then we're gonna go to the Atomium.
Oh, I'm not sure that's right, but it looks like it.
It sounds right to me. So after we go and do that, we might find somewhere to hit a street clip. There was a lot of things we didn't get to do, but for us, the good news is that this is like an hour and a half away from where we live, so we'll be back. But for this video, we're not gonna hit those. We're probably gonna end it with the Atomium. There we go, I said it right once.
Oh, thank God.
So we're at the top of the hill here in Brussels at like this courthouse building, but we can see our destination in the distance out that way. The Atomium, I think that's how you say it.
I did, Amanda.
It's a jet pack. Oh wait, no, that's skateboards. We're gonna jet pack where I was skating.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. I post new videos every Saturday, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.